In this class, we are discussing about magnetic headphones. Here we are using the permanent magnet made with the neodymium. The south poles of these two, like in E letter shape, these two are representing the south pole and this one is representing the north pole. We are wounding a coil around the north pole. We are calling this coil as voice coil. We are giving the audio input to this voice coil. Already this permanent magnet is supplying the constant magnetic field. Now we are also giving the electrical signal. So this is when we are giving the electrical signal. So this electrical signal, this is audio equivalent electrical signal. Audio input means this is electric signal. So when we are giving the electric signal, this magnet behaves like a electromagnet because we are supplying this electric signal to this coil, and whenever there is a change in the amplitude, accordingly the coil will move. When the coil is moving, this coil is attached to the diaphragm. This diaphragm is also moving. With the movement of the diaphragm, the sound waves are being generated. This is how magnetic headphone is working. We are repeating again the principle. We have taken here the E-shaped permanent magnet. These two are representing the south pole and this one is representing the north pole. We have wounded the wire around the north pole. Supply electrical signal is given to the wire. This is already under the influence of the permanent magnet, so that is producing the constant magnetic field. Now because of this electric signal, it is behaving like an electromagnet. According to the change of the amplitude in the electric signal, the voltage signal, here the coil will move. With the movement of the coil, the diaphragm attached to this coil also moving. With the movement of the diaphragm, the sound is being produced. This is how magnetic earphones will work. We use these magnetic earphones to listen any music or to during the gaming or for any telecom centers or in air aviation. They continuously monitor the flight. So during these times, by using the headphones, continuously we are listening something. So this will effectively work with this principle. These are also called as dynamic headphones because we discussed the same principle with the dynamic microphone. Dynamic microphone is working with the electromagnetic induction. Similarly, dynamic headphones also they are working electromagnetic principle. But they are converting the sound signal to electric signal, microphones. Here the dynamic headphones, they are converting the electric signal to sound signal. This is how magnetic headphones will work.